Ready for epic adventure?
Hey, 3-day
Father-son trip. Boat's back there? Yeah, going down the river. So let's do this.
Well, perhaps we should have heeded the advice given. Things didn't go as planned. The trailer fell off the end of the ramp. I forgot to disconnect the trailer winch from the front of the boat, and we broke the winch stand off. But on the bright side, the boat's in the water, so let's go sailing.
Let's have a chit chat as we're motoring here. Let me slide over here next to you. We'll both be on camera. Talk nice and loud. You wanted to memorialize the adventure of Lakeshark. Okay, so here we are. We are currently motoring out of the channels near Redwing somewhere. It was a little dicey. Eric, why don't you explain what happened when we launched the boat?
Basically what happened was we fell into a hole in the launch ramp, and which was shallow to begin with, and then we forgot to unstrap
The winch for the boat? Trailer winch?
Trailer winch. So when we did launch, it basically snapped that and its arm in half. So now we have to have it rewelded and affixed to the trailer.
Yeah, so basically we got a busted trailer. No way to get the boat back home yet, but we're on the water, so that's good. The other thing that happened was we were warned that the channel was only 1.8 feet deep, and this is a wing keel boat. It requires 2.6 feet with the rudder on. You can get by with about 2 feet with the rudder off and steering with just the outboard. So we launched with just the outboard into the Mississippi River main channel, and then had to mount the rudder with the current, but that went well. Except that apparently our gudgeons had loosened up a little bit, and so the rudder was floating off, and so we had to pin that. We got that done, so that's good. Currently 21 feet of water. We're in a channel here, and we're just kind of puttering our way along, not in any big hurry. And we're going to go back up to Redwing, tie off to the city dock, take some fun photos, and make the best of the day, and then spend the next 2 days making our way down to Wabasha. How far are we going? No, it's like 50 miles down there. Like 40 miles, 30, 40 miles, something like that, where we are. Currently we're headed north, so wrong direction for where we gotta go, but that's all right, it'll all be good. And praise the Lord, we gotta say thank you. It looks like we might have found a welding shop that might could do something for us tomorrow if we get the trailer dropped off here. So, and they're in Wabasha, so we could just walk over to that, pick up the trailer, and come on home. So praise the Lord, we'll be praying for a quick, easy fix. And yeah, other than that, enjoy the scenery. Make the best. Adventures of Lakeshark. Are we gonna make it? I think we're gonna make it. We made it. Oh, check out the little observation deck off the side of the bridge over there. That's cool. What does this say? Does that say reserved for cruise ship for real? For real? For real? The dock I was gonna use says reserved for cruise ship? For real? Hey, wait, what's it say? August 5th through the 7th. What's today? It's only the 3rd, we're good. We're good, Eric. Supper, different supper.
Yes.
What are we celebrating?
I got accepted into my college.
Yay! And we've decided to take a little putt-putt here north of Redwing. And it's actually a lot of fun. I mean, I realize this is a sailboat, not a motorboat. But rather enjoying just putt-putting along here. We're going to turn around and head back towards Redwing to see how long this battery lasts on the camera, because it's at 11%. And let the rest run out as the sun comes down, because it is a beautiful evening. Oh, for those always wondering what small wing dams on the northern Mississippi look like, there we go. Small rock piles, river's really low right now so you can see them. The job is just to keep the current in the middle, because the river's only 12 feet deep in the middle right here. And that's getting kind of short for a lot of the barge traffic coming north. Nothing for a little boat like this. But well, we're making good headway. Keeping the channel markers on the right-hand side. Moving our way on down. There we go. Eric, how was your first night on the boat after the adventurous launching?
It was okay. It was nice to lay down, but it was very hot and humid, so it kind of made for sucky sleeping conditions. But it's
really hot.
Cool.
It was really hot. The trains were loud.
Yeah.
Very loud.
Very loud.
And the tugs were something I'm not used to hearing coming up and down the river, so that was different too.
It didn't bother me as much as the trains.
Fair enough. The cabin's a disaster. This is the cleaned up version so far, but yeah, we got stuff everywhere. So yeah, but looking forward to a nice sail south. We'll go get some ice for the ice chest, and then guess we'll get ready to shove off and head off for tonight's adventure. Still praying the trailer gets fixed and everything works out well there. All right, Eric, you ready to start off on the adventure for today?
Ready.
Okay, here we go. Headed downriver, leaving Redwing. See you soon. Eric, you ready to do some sailing?
I am ready.
Okay, we'll get this thing sorted out, and there's not much wind out here, but we'll try to see what we can make do. All right, Eric, where are we?
Lake City.
Lake City. Why'd we stop?
Restroom break.
Restroom break, stretch break, and what did you get?
Licorice.
Licorice. We had to have a licorice break. So, nice marina. Right here, fuel dock, marina office, facilities. They let us tie up here for a few minutes. These are the guest slips here. But we're getting ready to head on down towards Pepin Marina area. We're going to anchor out over there for the night. No docks for us tonight. Kind of hoping this breeze stays up, keeps us cooled down. So we'll see how it goes. I'll set this thing up. We'll get some more sailing shots. All right, Eric, where are we?
We are in Lake Pepin, the Pepin Marina.
Pepin Marina's over there, but actually we are anchored out just off the Pepin Yacht Club here. And I was too lazy to go get the GoPro, so I'm trying to hold my phone off the side of the boat here. But you can see us floating around, beautiful sunset over here off the stern. We got one other person decided to join us for the night. Well, we joined them, they were here first, but we got enough distance, so we'll be all right. So yeah, what are you looking forward to tonight, Eric?
I don't know. Hopefully no mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes. We're hoping no bugs. There's a little bit of a breeze right now coming across the boat. We're gonna read some books and just chill out. Looking forward to it. So, last night. You ready for last night? Tomorrow, showers.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Showers.
I'm looking forward to that tomorrow.
All right. I'll smile. We'll take a picture. We're on camera.
Yep.
How many miles did we just figure out we sailed yesterday?
40.
40 miles. 43 miles for the trip. Beautiful anchorage. Loved Pepin. No train horns. Fish are jumping out of the water. It's time for us to wrap it up. Most of the cabin's been stored, ready to be put on the trailer when we start figuring out, you know, how the trailer actually looks and works. So we're gonna get ready to go here. There are fish right there, boiling out of the water. Look at that. I've never seen so many just jumping out of the water. It's only like 6 feet of water there, so something's eating them. Huh. Yeah, I'm not much of a fisherman, but you know, if you were, that'd be the spot to fish. Pretty sure my youngest is going to be upset. So Eric, where are we going?
We are going to Wabasha.
Let's speak up.
We are going to Wabasha.
We're going to Wabasha, and we're going to pull out there. And I don't remember how many miles it is, but we're going to motor the whole way because the wind is contrary. It's straight up the river, so that works, and we won't worry about it. So that's why we got a motor. So I'm gonna check the fuel and see how we did. We did start with 3 gallons on the trip, and I'll give an assessment here on how we have the Mercury version of the Sail Pro, but I'll give you a heads up on how it goes with the standard prop. So yeah, I know it's always a big question. So all right, buddy, have you had fun? What's been your favorite part? Reading. We haven't watched a single movie. Well, Eric tried to cheat last night while I was reading a book. He watched a little bit of a movie on his phone, but I think that's the only movie influence, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Very peaceful. So, all right, we'll see you guys hopefully here in a bit. I'll set this thing up. We'll get a couple of river shots. Maybe I'll set up the time lapse again. All right, Eric, where are we?
Parkside Marina in Wabasha.
Parkside Marina, Wabasha, and we're already put away. Boats down. Was it a good trip?
Yes.
Favorite part?
Quiet. Reading.
Least favorite part? Bug bites.
Yeah.
Lots of bug
That
bites.
sucks.
So, all right, but proof positive. Oh, where's he at? We got the sticker. Parkside Marina, Wabasha. So we made it. Here we are. So hopefully this all turns out. Lakeshark, off to ice cream.